Welcome to Bobbi Jo's. Today I'm going to be making some more ice cream. This is sugar-free, low-carb ice cream. It's real easy to make. 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1/3 cup of sugar substitute, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla paste. This is 1/4 teaspoon. We're just going to use 2 of these, because it'll fit down in the container. Then I have this cake batter flavoring. Now I have several different types of flavoring. I got these off of Amazon. They're great in smoothies. You can make your own coffee creamer, ice creams. You can flavor cakes, whatever you're making, you can flavor with these. This is cake batter. I've done one with cheesecake and it was really good, so I decided I'm gonna try cake batter and see what it tastes like. Last time I made it, I didn't use quite enough. I did cheesecake and it was really good, but I felt like it needed a little bit more flavoring to it. And I know everybody here does teaspoons, so I'm just gonna use my teaspoon. This is 1/2 teaspoon, which is 2.5 mLs. And I'm gonna put that in there because last time I just used 1 dropper and it wasn't enough. And a dropper is 1 ml. So if you're doing milliliters, go by the dropper. Okay, and then I'm gonna whisk all this together. Once everything's mixed together, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of vodka. Now you can use, I've heard people use allulose syrup to keep it from getting super hard. I don't have 2 tablespoons of vodka left. Look, it looks like I'm an alcoholic. I'm at the bottom of the bottle. We have had this since Christmas. And we are now in August. I use it to cook with and make ice cream. But I have another bottle here. So let me get in this other bottle and add my other 1/2 teaspoon. Add my other 1/2 tablespoon, not 1/2 teaspoon. All right, let's just put 1/2 in here. But if you don't want to use alcohol, you can use, I've heard some people say coconut oil works. I don't know, I haven't never tried it. I just use vodka because it's simple and it keeps it soft when it churns. So I think my sister has used the Chalk Zero flavoring syrups like they use in the coffee creamers and stuff like that. And I think hers turned out okay like that. I think it has allulose syrup in it. Okay, now all we're gonna do is we're gonna cover this and it's gonna sit in the fridge for about 4 hours. And then after that, we're gonna put it in the ice cream churn. And in the fridge it goes. We'll be back in a few hours. Okay, so it's been more like 5 or 6 hours. I'm just gonna mix this up and put it in my ice cream churn. So I just have a KitchenAid ice cream maker attachment. This slides on up here. You put the paddle in the bottom of the ice cream bowl after it's been frozen. And then this goes down into that like that. Sure it's locked. You want it on stir. See, it's right there. It's on stir. First one. You want it stirring when you're pouring your ice cream batter in. So I'm going to pour the ice cream batter in and it should churn between 20 and 30 minutes. It's almost ready. Okay, so the ice cream is done. we're just going to remove the paddle. And look at all that ice cream. Don't that look good? And of course, Nolan, he's going to whine because he does that every time I start a video. We'll serve it up here in a second and let Steve give us a review on it. Doesn't that look good?
This reminds me of the birthday cakes my grandmother used to get me for my birthday when I was a wee lad. It tastes just like the frosting on one of those Jackson Bakery birthday cakes. Good.
I was going to say, so did you like your birthday cakes your grandmother got you?
Usually she got them like a baseball field. So it was green icing with brown Bates pads and then plastic baseball guys on top.
So does it get 2 thumbs up and drawer?
Well, it gets 1 thumb up and then a nub up. Well, I completed the compost bin with a severe bout with stupidity. And
he injured his thumb.
An emergency room visit later, a visit to a
hand surgeon,
and then surgery with a challenging bout with anesthesia that caused the people in the recovery room to call my wife back there to try to help calm me down. But other than that, everything is awesome.
So we got 1 thumb and 1 nub.
Yeah.
Is it drill worthy? Does it get the drill worthy stamp of approval?
This is really good.
Do that 2 thumbs up again.
2 of these up. It's good. I highly recommend it. And where'd you get the flavoring from?
Amazon.
Oh, wow.
There will be a link in the video description. Thanks for your review.
You're so very welcome.
Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day.